Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video regarding the windshield wipers. I know some people tried to lift the blades up and they actually damaged the hood just because they're in the way. So if you're trying to lift your blades up off the windshield for any type of snow or ice or change the blades, you can actually damage it. So here, I'll show you what I mean. So if you pull up on the blade here, it's going to make contact with the hood. Same thing over here. If you lift it up, it's going to make contact with the hood. So before you do that, it's just a matter of this. You can shut the car off, press up on the wipers for a few seconds, and it will hold that position. So once they're in that position, you can lift them up, whether you're gonna get, like I said, any snow or ice, or you can change the blades. And to get them out of that position, if you have the car on, just hit the wipers again and they'll go back to the regular position.